Okay, today I will going to show you how to change this t-shirt color. Just paste you go to image. First you want to select these layers. This layer select, after that you go to image and go adjustment. After that you go to hue and saturation. This shortcut key is a control U and you press this. After you can this change this hue slider, go this side, change the color, go this side, change. Okay, you can go here, this drop down click, then you can don't have any color, you pick this pick this color. After you pick, you can change this any color. Okay, this slider is you can change this slide, this side dark. This slider also you can change, this side is black, go this side is white. Okay, then you can press OK.